Digestion in herbivores.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
Herbivores are the animals such as cow, buffalo, goat, elephant, giraffe, which obtain food only from plants. In this video, we will understand how herbivores digest their food. Herbivores eat food with the help of mouth. Teeth breaks the food partially. However, herbivores swallow the food quickly. It passes through esophagus into the largest part of the stomach called rumen. There are 4 parts of the stomach. These are rumen, reticulum, omasum, and abomasum.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
In rumen, food is stored temporarily. The food commonly contains a common carbohydrate called cellulose. The microorganisms present in rumen breaks down complex plant material into volatile fatty acids, that is VFAs. This process is called fermentation. Rumen bowl absorb most of the VFAs. The partly digested food is called cud. When these animals are relaxed, they bring small part of cud back in mouth and chew it again. This process is called rumination, that is chewing the cud. As these animals have ability to ruminate, therefore these are also called ruminants. During rumination, the food is converted into fine pieces and saliva is mixed into it. After being chewed again, the food passes to reticulum. Here there is separation of bigger particles from finer particles and the bacterial fermentation process continues. The finer particles are sent forward for further digestion, while the bigger particles are sent back to rumen. In omasum, water and other nutrients present in the food get absorbed. From omasum, the food passes into true stomach called abomasum. Here, the enzymes and acids causes further breakdown of the food into simpler substances.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
The food then passes to small intestine. It is a long tube having 3 main parts: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. It receives secretion from various glands so as to break down the food further. It absorbs most of the nutrients from the food. Small intestine is connected to large intestine through a pouch-like structure called cecum. It is a storage organ where microorganisms helps to digest cellulose. The food then passes to large intestine. Here, most of the water is absorbed. The waste is thrown out of animal body. So I hope you understood all the concepts in this video very well. Thanks for watching this video.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.